This video is only for those who are zero, who think they are no more. Just watch this video till the end. You will see life is not easy to everyone, but if you want what you want, you still stay consistent. At the end, you will win. You will win. You will win. Yesterday gone. You will win. You will win. This is a story for those who think their life is hard and difficult. Just watch the story till the end. You will see life is not easy to everyone. Life is not easy to everyone. But one day you will get what you want. One day you will get, and it happens in the story at the end.